following is a flash flood watch announcement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect until 2 a.m. Saturday. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has expanded the flash flood watch to include a portion of southern New Jersey, including the following areas: Atlantic coastal Cape May, coastal Atlantic and Cumberland. Until 2 a.m. Saturday, a slow-moving frontal boundary will help focus areas of very heavy rain across the region through this evening. Rainfall totals of 1 to 3 inches are expected in the watch area with locally higher amounts. Some of the rain will fall in a short period of time, leading to the potential for flash flooding. This flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. Be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.